Hi, it's Madison with the Sensory Path. Let's install the Planet Hop. Before starting, I made sure to sweep and mop the floor really well. A clean surface helps the image stick properly. To begin, I'll cut everything apart. Next, I'll position my planets. Don't worry, we include a layout guide. In this first method, I'll tape the sides of my planet down, then peel back a section of the image to expose the backing and cut off that portion. I'll press the exposed part of the image onto the floor in a wave motion. Now I can remove the tape and backing. In one hand, I'll hold the planet up, and in my other hand, I'll carefully squeegee the image down. For the second method, I'll peel away the backing completely and apply the planet in a wave-like motion onto the floor with a squeegee. To apply the connector lines, I'll place one side onto my planet and connect to the other planet. I'll remove the excess with an X-Acto knife or scissors. If you don't want to cut the lines, just place the planets further apart. After installing the planets, I can now place the nameplates and fun little stars. Thanks for watching!